Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to prepare mini Badusha, a popular and delicious Indian sweet. Badusha, also known as Balushahi, is one of my all-time favorite treats. It is made with very simple ingredients, but getting it just right requires a little attention to detail at every step. The key to perfect Badusha is achieving that perfect dough texture. When done correctly, it should be soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. So let's dive into the recipe. This recipe yields around 30 to 35 mini badushas. For the dough, you will need 1¼ cup of maida, a pinch of salt, quarter teaspoon of baking powder, and a few pinches of baking soda. Mix well. Next, add quarter cup of ghee to the mixture and mix well to combine. Then add quarter cup of curd and mix it in. Gradually add a little water to form a thick crumbly dough. Not as soft as roti or chapati dough, but just the right consistency. Knead it gently, don't knead it too hard. Once your dough is ready, cover it and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, take a vessel and add 1¼ cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, a few pinches of cardamom powder, and a few strands of saffron. Bring it to a boil and cook until the sugar completely dissolves and the syrup reaches a consistency similar to liquid honey. No need to worry about thread or string consistency. Once done, turn off the flame and add a little lemon juice to prevent the syrup from crystallizing. After the dough has rested for 20 minutes, don't knead it like we do for roti or chapati. Just give it a gentle mix once to bring it together. Now take small gooseberry-sized portion of dough and roll them into smooth balls. Slightly flatten each ball, then make a small impression in the center using your thumb. Just like this. Once shaped, set them aside. Now heat oil in a frying pan. To check if the oil is hot enough, drop a pinch of dough into it. If it rises immediately, the oil is ready. Reduce the flame to low, then carefully add 5 to 6 badushas at a time. Fry them on both sides until they turn golden brown. By this point, the badushas should have doubled in size, which tells you that the dough is at the perfect consistency. This is how you achieve the light, flaky and crispy texture we are looking for. Once they are golden brown, carefully remove the badushas from the hot oil and gently place them into the warm sugar syrup. Let them soak for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the syrup to coat them evenly. It is important to cook the badusha on low flame. Don't rush the process by increasing the heat. If you cook them on high flame, they may remain uncooked inside. The badusha should turn a nice golden brown color. Just be careful not to overcook them to a darker shade of golden, as they could become too crispy and lose that perfect texture. Allow the badusas to sit in the syrup while you cook the next batch. Once done, remove them from the syrup and place them on a plate. While they are still warm, garnish with chopped pistachios for an extra touch of flavor and crunch. Let the badusas cool to room temperature. Once cooled, store them in an airtight container to keep them fresh and they are ready to serve. I could not wait to try them. So before the sugar syrup had completely absorbed, I could not resist tasting one or two, just to check if the consistency was perfect. Mini badusas are not only cute but also absolutely delicious. I hope you try making them at home and let me know how they turned out in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching.